There's nothing worse than having to drive in the pouring rain. Your wipers just can't do the job. It's downright dangerous. Introducing Wipe New RainBrella, the longest-lasting windshield rain repellent. It's like you're driving under an umbrella. Just tear open the seal pack and remove the pre-moistened RainBrella towel. Just wipe on, wipe off. Now watch as the untreated side has little visibility in heavy rain, while the rain is no match for RainBrella.
With RainBrella, driving in the rain is no big deal, and it's so easy to apply. Just wipe on and wipe off.
RainBrella's proprietary formula forms an invisible shield of protection that won't allow the water or even mud to stick. RainBrella was awarded the prestigious 2016 SEMA Best Product Award in an independent side-by-side abrasion test. RainBrella lasts twice as long as Rain-X. Sprays get all over your car. Our RainBrella wipes go exactly where you want it. Wipe on, wipe off. Wipe new RainBrella, a proud Rust-Oleum product.